Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. I'm Alexa. Today we're making whipped cream. I measured out all my ingredients and I recommend that you do so too. You can find the full list of ingredients and measurements in the link in the description. Remember to watch the video first so you can be prepared. Now I'm going to get started on my whipped cream. Wait until the cake is completely cool before starting this step. First, I'm going to sift my powdered sugar. This is a very important step because if you don't do this, your whipped cream will be full of powdered sugar clumps. Next, I'm going to make the whipped cream. Before you do this, make sure your whipping cream is cold and you just removed it from the fridge and that your bowl and wire whisk are cold. I put mine in the freezer for 15 minutes before that because it will help the cream whip and solidify. Now, I'm going to put the cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract into my mixing bowl with a whisk attachment. This is important because it will not work if you use a paddle attachment instead. Then you need to mix it until the cream is thick, solid, and makes stiff peaks. It's important not to overmix it because otherwise it'll turn into butter. As you can see, if you put some of it on your finger or on the spatula and turn it upside down, it shouldn't fall off. And my whipped cream is done and looking delicious. Please let me know what you thought of the video in the comments and how the recipe went for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you can see when new videos are added. Thank you and enjoy!